All right, we were heading from Ponca on 43, getting ready. We just turned right on the 5. Now we're gonna take this old dirt road all the way up to Whitaker Point. This thing looks awesome. All dirt, all rutted, all tough. Pioneer Survival Company. There we go.
Let's do it. Let's do it.
And we just saw somebody driving their Mercedes down this road. It's like, what the? Woo! Oh, I don't even know if you can see these potholes, but it's awesome. Oh God. Oh God, it's jiggling the poop chute. All right, so we've been driving for just about 8 miles up this bumpy road. We've been on Road 5, aka NC 9560, aka Cave Mountain Road. That's a lot of AKAs for a road. But anyway, now that we have made it to this church here, we should only be about 0.6 miles away from the Whitaker Point parking lot. So we're getting close, guys. All right, I'm seeing some cars. I do believe we have finally made it to the parking area. Hey guys, this is Sean Seitz with Pioneer Survival Company. Today in Wild in the World, we're going to be at Hawksbill Crag / Whitaker Point here in Arkansas. We just showed you the footage of us pulling into this place, so it was a fun ride getting up here. But we're finally at the parking area. We're going to take this loop. It's a 3-mile loop total, so it should take us about 1.5 miles to get over to the spot. Hope to get some spectacular footage today. I got my man John Porter, our adjunct instructor, with me. He's doing a little camera work right now. Hopefully he'll have some fun things to say later too. So come along with us on the journey. All right, so we're starting off. We're going to take just a slight little descent down this dirt path covered in some roots and rock and just see where it's going to take us. Should be fun. All right, so we're only a couple minutes into the trail, but it's real nice trail so far. Probably about 3 foot wide, mainly just dirt and rocks. So nothing crazy, hasn't been overly strenuous yet. Looks like we're coming out to a slight curve up here, and looks like we might be coming to some sort of an overlook. I'll get you some footage of that here. All right, so we just came to our first little fork. The path from the video footage I just showed you went straight, but then there's also a turnoff to the right. So we're gonna go ahead and take the right and head down the hill. And we think that's the right way, hopefully. If not, it's gonna make for a great day.
Great day, yeah.
All right, so we got a couple different ways to go here. I think we're just gonna take this downhill trail. Looks like the fun way to go. So it turns out that last trail that we said we were going to go right on, it was actually just a loop anyway. So there's a good chance that this one might just loop into that trail we bypassed. So this section's a little more steep. If you have weak knees, might want to be mindful of that.
Or if you're fat.
Or as John, who we affectionately like to call Camp Cookie, said, if you're fat. All right, we're gonna hang left here. All right, so looks like we're coming to a little stream bed. Doesn't look like there's much water in it right now, but it's real cool looking around here. John, what are you thinking of the scenery so far?
Ah, it's beautiful, man. It's beautiful.
Yeah, this is absolutely gorgeous out here.
It's good. The leaves are off the trees so you can see far away.
Yeah, it's probably I'd say what, it's about 43 degrees out here today, so
Yes.
it's a nice cool day. Great for hiking. And, you know, you're just getting to see this without the leaves and stuff on. Totally different view than if you saw it in the summertime. You know, everything's real open and cleared out. So, pretty cool.
Yeah.
Hi.
Hey, hey.
All right, so we've been hiking for about 18 minutes. We just passed a couple girls on the trail, and they promised us that we're only about 15 minutes away from this spectacular site. So we will see. I told them that I was going to hold them accountable if they were lying. And I've got my enforcer, John, back there. He's going to take care of it.
Yeah.
All right. So the trail's been pretty easy. Looks like we're going to, oh, here we go. Oh, that's fun. We're going to walk down a horse trail. I mean, it looks like a horse trail. All right, so we came to another fork. We're just gonna head straight. Seems like that's where all the people are coming from. All right, so we headed straight, and it's only been like maybe a minute. We came to this little spot where the trail branches. We're gonna head down to the right real quick. I think that this is just a little side trail. I hear some running water, so there might be something cool down there. All right, so that turned out to be pretty cool. It's just a little look off.
Yeah, did you cook it with the water with the left?
All right, so we took a little detour. I mean, that was absolutely gorgeous. Just had running water over the side of a cliff. That was really cool. So we're gonna head back up the trail that we just came from and go ahead and take that straight up to Whitaker Point, hopefully. All right, so we came back up the trail and we're back on course.
That's pretty cool.
Oh, all right. So we're still probably, I don't know, maybe 10 minutes away from getting to the end of the trail. But man, there's been some spectacular footage out here. And what I'm coming up to, it's just this large boulders everywhere. And it is really cool looking. So I'm going to show you that real quick. It's really neat. All right, man, we finally made it. This is it, man. And the view is spectacular. I mean, this was definitely worth the walk. I mean, just look at the vastness behind me. This is great. All right, man, so we finished the trip and it was awesome. Man, what do you think?
Yeah, easy hike. Lots of great views. Payoff at the end's definitely worth it.
Yeah, it's definitely worth it. So, I mean, I would say out of the stuff we've done here in Arkansas so far, I'd say this one has been the #1 trip.
#1 so far.
Yeah, this one's awesome. So, if you happen to get out here, check it out. It's great.
Plenty more places to see. Keep in touch.